Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tapshi Tech and Reviews. So in today's video, let's see how to get executable files from GitHub. So a lot of people share GitHub link, but they never say how to get the installation file. They'll just talk about the GitHub link. So in today's video, let's see how to get the executable file. If they have released any of the executable file for your operating system, either Linux, Mac, or Windows, or any other. So let's see how to get those files in today's video. So it's going to be a quick video. So before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. That will help me a lot. That will help me grow in YouTube. So please do subscribe. So yeah, let's quickly see that. So let's say I want to download Ghost downloader. So this is something which I saw in Reels. I know this is kind of a download manager. So let's see how to get the executable file from the GitHub link. So I've just searched for Ghost downloader GitHub. I'll open this. So you'll get all the core files over here. So they explain about this project as well. So they explain all about this project and all the contributors, etc. And it's open source, so you can play around this core files. So I will not get into this file as of now. Will not get into this core file. I'll just show you how to get the executable file. So if you scroll down on the right side, you should see releases. So if you click on releases, that will also work. Or they have tagged a new release here. This is called tagging. So they have released a new version for this 4.1.1. So if you click on this, it will bring up a new page. Here you'll get all the information about this new release, all the release notes, everything will be there. And if you scroll down, you'll get to see something called as assets. That's where you'll get all the downloadable file or the executable file. So this is for APK, that's Android version. Then there is for Linux. Then there is for a Mac. Everything is available. And also, if you look down, there should be Windows as well. You can use a zip version. It's a portable version. The file will already be installed if you download the zip version. And there's the executable version as well. .exe. You can use this as well. So you can download any and install it. So if you directly download the zip file, you can directly run the file without installing it. It's kind of a portable version. And .exe is a executable file. You can install it. So after installation, this is what you'll get to see. You can integrate with Chrome, etc. So whenever download is happening or whenever you copy anything, it will automatically detect and it will bring up a pop-up to download the file. So this is an alternative for download manager. So there was a download manager long back, internet download manager or something like that. So alternate application for that. So yeah, if you're interested, you can download this as well. And this is how you can get the executable file if you're looking for all the executable file in GitHub. So yeah, that's on the video, guys. That's a quick video which I want to hope you all liked it. If you like the video, please do hit the like button. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, guys. That'll help me a lot. That'll help me grow in YouTube. So please do subscribe. So yeah, if there are any queries, please post in the comment section. Let's catch you in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye.